The Justice Department says it wants to keep the affidavit from last week's search of Mar-a-Lago sealed. Officials say sharing those details at this time would, quote, cause significant and irreparable damage to this ongoing criminal investigation. But calls for transparency continue, and threats of violence against the FBI agents are increasing. Let's bring in Catherine Herridge, who's outside the Justice Department headquarters this morning. Catherine, good morning. Can you further explain prosecutors' decision to keep this affidavit sealed?
Well, just generally, Nikki, we just, in criminal investigations, we don't see affidavits unsealed until there's some kind of charging decision by federal prosecutors. So just on its face, it would be unusual to unseal this record. But of course, everything connected to this investigation is unusual, including the execution of a search warrant on the residence of a former president. At its heart, the Justice Department is arguing that by unsealing the evidence or making it public, it would reveal sources and methods. It would also provide a kind of roadmap of the investigation for anyone who may ultimately be charged. And they also say that it would discourage potential witnesses in the future from cooperating because they believe it would reveal who has been cooperating so far, Nikki.
Catherine, former President Trump told Fox News Monday that he has reached out to the DOJ to offer his help as threats grow against law enforcement. It took him a week to make any kind of action on this. How high does the threat level remain?
Well, Nikki, the threat level targeting, I'll say sort of the U.S. government writ large since January 6th has been elevated. But what we've seen and confirmed through our reporting here at CBS News is that since the raid in Florida, there's really been a spike in this online chatter. A lot of this online chatter is kind of generic or general, but based on an intelligence memo that was put together by FBI and Homeland Security, there are some threats that are more specific, including potential proposed targets, addresses, the names of individuals, as well as tactics and weapons. So the difficulty for law enforcement is understanding when something that looks general actually sort of tips over that threshold into something that's specific and credible. So they're trying to give maximum visibility to law enforcement, not only at a federal level, but also at a local and state level as well, Nikki.
Catherine, while we have you, as you know, we'll tell our audience, the Trump Organization's chief financial officer is close to reaching a plea deal in a case on whether he gave off-the-books income to himself and other executives. How could a decision to take the deal affect prosecutors' efforts to reach the former president?
It depends on the nature of the deal. We don't know that at this point. But if it's a deal that has a provision for cooperation, which most plea agreements do, the question is, who is he going to be cooperating against? Former President Trump's legal team has been arguing that this is a political prosecution and that corporations, I don't want to say routinely provide additional income or perks, but when it becomes an issue with the legal system, they usually reach some kind of settlement. They say it doesn't go as far as a criminal prosecution, but any kind of cooperation from his former CFO could certainly have implications for his organization in the very least, Nikki.
All right, Catherine, thank you.